episode 4 now, and this time I'm going to teach you about HTML formatting. So with this, we can allow our like p tags and everything to have like special formatting like bold, italics, and all that kind of stuff. And so let's go through that. So first, we're going to make a new file. We're going to name it formatting.html. Open that up, and then we're going to use our not Fortnite. We're going to use our template thingy here, and we'll give this a name of formatting, and we'll get rid of this because we don't need all that crap. Okay, so now we can start coding. So get away. All right, so now here we can have our code. So we're gonna make a bunch of stuff. We're gonna have, so we're gonna start off with the bold text. So we're gonna make a little thing first. So by the way, if you wanna have, this is a shortcut for the VS Code. If you type lorem and then press tab, you can have some sample code. I mean sample text here. So let's choose one of these. We'll choose Delore, whatever that means, and make it bold by doing a B tag, and then close it with another B tag. Is where you want to stop being bold. So let's open this up with live server. Come on, live server. Okay, so I have this open up. Live server didn't work, so I just opened it from the file. And so that if we look here on our page, we can see that Delore is now bolded. So that's pretty cool. We can make stuff bold now. And there's also another way to do it by using strong. This makes it more clear to the developer that this is an important piece of text inside these tags. So, it doesn't have to be one word, obviously. It can be like this whole little section here. So now this whole thing will be bold. See? And so now we can do italics too. So use I. And there we go. So this one, oops, reload. And now this is in italics. Why is it gone? Okay, that was weird. So yeah, reloaded, and so yeah, so that's italicized now. And we can also do this with EM. So that stands for emphasis. So that's also another thing. It does the same thing. And for some reason this whole thing is, yeah, there we go, just a glitch. So there we go. And then now there's one called small where we can make text small. So I'll make this section here small. Or this word. I cannot type. There you go. So if we look here, this word is like really small now. So I don't really know what that would be used for exactly, but I mean, if you're creative, I'm sure you could find something to do with it. And so there's one to highlight too, so you can use a mark tag. There's mark. And so now all this is highlighted because you marked it. Oops, meant to be that. So there we go. Then there's a delete tag to make stuff like cross through. Let me show you. There we go. And there it is. There's our deleted text here. So that's interesting. And then there's an insert one, which is underlined text. So I'll put this here, insert. Close it off with another insert. So now all this is highlighted. I don't know why it's glitching out like that, but yeah. So now you can underline stuff. And so I'll make a whole new p tag because we're running out of space here. This is a subscript. Oops. So if you want to make a subscript, you could just use the sub tag. You might know what a subscript is from school, like science or math. And so here, that's how you do that. So for example, if you're trying to make like a physics formula or something, oops, close that off. So we can say, in physics we have potential energy, so we could signify that with sub G, and that should make it subscripted. There you go, so there's UG, that's pretty cool. And there's a superscript we can do with the sup tag, SUP. So I just changed this one here. So now it'll be above. So that can be used for like, exponents in math and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how the little tags that you can use is those are for formatting your web page and your text and everything. So I hope it wasn't too confusing. I'll put in the link in the description for all the different for the list of all of them. And so if you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and peace.